never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play.
Hello WitBlox makers, welcome to a new biomimicry-inspired project, the Turtle Robot. Biomimicry is the practice of drawing inspiration from nature and living organisms. This field has contributed many innovations used in our daily life like wing design that are inspired by birds' wings, bullet train coaches from kingfishers, Velcro from burrs, etc. Today let's take our first step to make a robot that mimics the motion of a sea turtle. Let's start building. Take a 1-hole beam and a 2-hole elbow and join them together. Repeat this step to make 7 more parts like this. Join these parts together to make a circle as shown. Let's make turtle legs now. To make this, take 3 1-hole beams, 2 2-hole elbows, 2 3-hole elbows, and 2 1-hole elbows as shown, and join them together. Make 3 more such legs as shown. Now take 2 1-hole elbows, 2 male-to-male couplers, and a 5-hole beam, and join them as shown. Take 3 1-hole beams and attach them to the previous part. Join the 3 parts as shown. Now take a 2 3-hole elbows and attach them to the previous part. Now take a 2-hole elbow, 2 BO shaft connectors, and a 30mm small axle and join them. Repeat this step once to make another part like this. Now take a motor connected to the motor driver blocks and attach the 2 parts as shown. Observe carefully, they are attached in opposite manner so that later on the legs appear to be moving alternately. Now take a 1-hole elbow and a 3-hole elbow and join them. Attach it to the motor holder as shown. Join these 2 parts as shown. Now take the other 2 legs, 2 3-hole elbows and 2 male axle couplers and join them as shown. Take these 2 turtle legs and 2 BO shaft connectors and join it to the turtle body as shown. Now take a 5-hole beam and a male-to-male coupler and join them together. Attach it to the turtle's body. To make the turtle face, take 5 3-hole elbows and 3 male-to-male couplers and join them as shown. Take the previously made circle, modify it as shown, and then attach the face part to it. Join these parts together. Our turtle body is now ready. Attach the blocks holder and battery holder to the turtle's body as shown. Now is the time to create the logic to make the turtle move. Take power blocks and motor driver blocks and join them. Attach the logic to the turtle body and battery to the battery holder. Additionally, attach 4 3-hole elbows in 4 different corners that will form the shell part. And voila, our turtle is ready.